First, select your color and style options. Step 1. Move your phone around until you see the green dot mesh appear on the floor. Step 2. Then hold your phone over the windowsill until the dot mesh appears on the sill and then click the plus button. Step 3. Line up the pointer to the back left of your windowsill and click the plus button, and then the back right and again click the plus button. Step 4. Next, drag the pointer forward to the front of the windowsill and click the plus button. Step 5. Now raise up your phone until the blind fits neatly in the window area and click the plus button. Step 6. Click to confirm you are happy with your blind position. You're all done. Your blind will now be rendered into the window. You can choose your fabric color and pattern from the options below. You can also raise and lower your blind to see exactly how they look in your window. You can either order a free sample or simply buy now, which takes you to the website to complete your blind purchase. Terry's ViSULiZR, the future of home furnishings.